Hello students, myself Chole Prashant Ramesh Rao, Head and Assistant Professor, Department of Environmental Science, Sanjeevani Mahavidyalaya, Chapuli. Today we are discuss about environmental education. In this topic we cover the what is environmental education, goals of environmental education, objectives of environmental education, scope of environmental education, major environmental issues, role of teachers in environmental education, and last advantages of environmental education. Here, environmental education, man as a part and parcel of the environment has to recognize the role and importance of environment in order to protect it and to get protection from it. For this he needs environmental education. Why we needs environmental education? To protect the environment and to get protection from environment. That's why we need the environmental education. Also we need environmental education for a sustainable development or to manage human behavior and ecosystems to live sustainably. That's why we need environmental education. Now we see what is meant by environmental education or definition of environmental education. According to IUCN Red Data Book, that is International Union for the Conservation of Nature, the process of recognizing values and clarifying concepts to develop skills and attitudes necessary to understand and appreciate the interrelatedness among man, his culture, and his biophysical surroundings. What is said? The to understand interrelation between among men, that is human being, its culture and its atmosphere. That's why environmental education is necessary. Environmental education also entails practice in decision making and self formulation of a code of behavior about issues concerning environmental quality. In easy way we said the environmental education is a study of nature and its problems. What are the different goals of environmental education? First, to improve the quality of environment by giving education about environment and its problem. We improve the quality of environment to create awareness among the people on environmental problems and its conservation. To aware people about the different problems of environment, how to solve these problems, awareness in people about conducting the different programs in society or from the giving information from news, radios, etc. These are the medias to aware people about the problems of environmental problems and conservation. To create an atmosphere so that people participate in develop decisions to evaluate developmental problems. Next, objectives of environmental education. There are different objectives of environmental education. First, awareness. Second, knowledge. Attitude, skills, evolution, ability, participation. First is awareness. Aware to the people about the environment and environmental challenges. Next, knowledge. Give knowledge to the peoples about the environment and its different challenges. Next is the attitude. to concern for the environment and motivation to improve or to maintain environmental quality. Skill. What is the skill? To identify and help to resolve environmental challenges. Participation in activities that lead to the resolution of environmental challenges. Next, scope of environmental education. There is a awareness in people, real life situations, that is what are the different problems going on in real life in the atmosphere, that is the different crises, that is air pollution crisis, water pollution, noise pollution. Aware about the real life situation. Conservation, that is conserve different species or animal species, plant species, or different forest areas, different land. Sustainable development. Major environmental issues. Nowadays, different major environmental issues are going on. First is a climate change due to the increase in heat, due to air pollution, climate change occurs. Next is the environmental problems. Next is the degradation intensive farming, land degradation, nuclear issues over issues of overpopulation, ozone depletion, pollution, and is a resource depletion. Next, environmental awareness is essential for. Why environmental awareness is essential? It is essential because protection of the atmosphere is needed nowadays. Protection of land resources. Day by day, human cutting trees, cutting forests. That's why we needed protection of land resources. Conservation of biological diversity, that is biodiversity. Day by day, some species of plants, animals, birds get disappeared. Due to that, we need conservation of biological diversity. Environmentally sound management of biotechnology and hazardous waste. Prevention of illegal traffic in toxic products and waste. Improvement in living and working condition of the poor by eradicating poverty and stopping environmental degradation. Next is the providing environmental education at different levels of education. Here we see level and the objective of the education. In primary education, the objective is awareness of environment, that is give the knowledge to the kids about the environment, aware the kids about environment. In secondary education, relevance for real life situation of environment, understanding of real life situation to the student. In higher secondary school, conservation of natural resources of environment, that is give the skill to the student how to conserve natural resources of environment. And in at college and university level, the sustainable development by solving problems of environment, that is attitude and evolution. Give the skill and educate the student about the solving the problems of the environment that are going on. That is, environmental education has a interdisciplinary approach or multidisciplinary approach. It is a field of a multidisciplinary field integrating disciplines such as biology, physical science, that is physics, mathematics, communication arts, earth sciences, life sciences, geography, etc. It is a multidisciplinary approach. Next, role of teachers in environmental education. What are the role of teacher? Role of teacher is very important in the environmental education because it arouses the children's interest in the environment and raise challenging problems. To discuss the approach to problems or topics with the students, to arrange the visit to national park, national sanctuaries, botanical garden, etc. To provide materials needed for practical work, to provide the material to the students for a practical work of environment, to arrange for visiting speaker, that is guest lecture about the environmental educations, environmental problems, how environmental problems solved. About this, arrange the speakers to initiate and develop discussion and debate, to provide facilities of display and exhibition of the work carried out. Next is the advantages of environmental education. First is encourages kids to respect Mother of Earth and its animals. By teaching kids how to respect our nature, we environmental education teaches us to be kind or care towards animals. This will have positive impact on your nature. To encourages our kids or to teaching our kids to care towards the animals, towards the nature, it helps to have a positive impact on our nature. Next is a cultivate critical thinking. To making kids respectful of nature, it also develops critical thinking amongst them. What? To making kids respectful of nature, it develop cultivate critical thinking amongst the students or amongst the kids. They become mindful of their actions. Therefore, good habits are instilled in kids that do not harmfully affect our nature. Next, third is a promotes a healthy way of life. Nowadays, when everyone is busy to their phone, people hardly moves their muscle. Environmental education encourages kids to participate in outdoor activities. It teaches us about benefits of the environment and how we can use it to our advantages. Next is a environmental balance is restored. By teaching kids how their actions impact on nature, we can maintain environmental balance. For instance, or for example, if someone is cutting down a tree in one corner, in other corner a kid is learning to plant one. What said? If someone is cutting down a tree in one side or one corner, in other hand a kid is learning or we teach to the kid to plant one. It helps in creating a sustainable future. And last is a gives a much needed break from the monotony. The daily routine of studying theoretical subject is tiring or boring to the kids. Environmental education gives the kids a chance to engage in activities outside the class. It makes them active, lively, and environmental education gives him as a fun break for a students. Next, the conclusion. One Chinese says about the need to educate is, if you plant for a tree, plant rice. If you plan for a year, plant rice. If you plan for the years, plant trees. But if you plan for a century, educate the people. Thank you.